Hey y'all, this is Jihad and I'm going to show you how I did my oil change. It might not be the best way, it might not be the right way, but it worked. So what you'll need is very simple. For my Scion IA 2016, I needed a 5/16 wrench to get the bolt out from underneath, which I'll show you later. I got my my oil, I got my filter, make sure they're out of zone, they'll get you the right one. And then I got a funnel to make it easier for when I pour the oil in. I also have two jack stands. I got a big enough jack for my car, which is 2.5 ton. I could have gotten bigger, but this did the job. Bigger is always better though. I use makeshift wheel blocks for the back end, which you really need in order to make it safe. Also, as you might notice, my jack is still there even though I have my jack stands there, just for an extra security measure, just in case I didn't do the stands right. And I'll show you how to do the stands later. So for my Scion IA in particular, this is where the oil goes, this is the dipstick. What's really important is that on the thing itself, the oil place, it shows you what oil you need, 0W20. That's it. So how to put your jack stand. So number one, I went one tire at a time. And I think that's safest, so don't go crazy and do two jacks at once. So what I did, I got my jack, I put it right there. See where the wheel is? So it's gonna be about 6 inches from the wheel. That's where you wanna put it. You pump it up as much as you can until this point. For my Scion IA, there's these little bumps that you'll feel on the very edge, and that's where you put your jack stand. That's what I looked up online, and that's what I see everybody else doing. So that's what I'm gonna confirm. Both sides have these bumps. You only need 2 though, and that's about it. From what I saw, you can't jack it on the front, unlike other cars, because the body is too soft. And there's no metal parts that I saw that I could do it. I thought maybe this would be it, but that's just another cover. So, no luck on that end. Both sides have these bumps. You only need 2 though. And that's about it. From what I saw, you can't jack it on the front, unlike other cars, because the body is too soft. And there's no metal parts that I saw that I could do it. I thought maybe this would be it, but that's just another cover. So, no luck on that end. Also, side note, a light is always helpful. Never underestimate a light. So I just got done emptying the oil. Now I'll put check it out. This is where the oil is. There's 2 panels. There's 2, one that's smaller, one that's bigger. This is where it goes. This is what you unplug later on. Or earlier on, I should say. Goes right in there. That's it. And what I'm going to tighten it a little bit more than usual. And you only need to do it hand tight or so. But I'm going to put a little bit more in a second. This is where your oil filter goes. See? There. 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 That's where your oil filter goes. And you just hand tight it on there. That's it. Well, with a little gumption and just simple, just tighten it. I'm just gonna do it till hand tight, as the people in AutoZone recommend it to me. Okay. Now, what's kind of generic, but convenient for me and us, maybe, is that you don't really need to get a screwdriver and put the cover back on. Why? Because it's kind of like those plastic puzzle pieces. All you have to do is just put it together. So now, I'm going to put the oil in. The guy told me my car needed only 4.4 quarts. That's what it is, not liters. I think in Arab. And that's the only amount I want. I don't want more, and I definitely don't want less. Put it right in there. Just like that. Alright y'all, car's on the ground, everything's fine, oil change is done. If you like this video, click like. If not, sorry I couldn't help you. But if you did get help and you really learned something from this video, I appreciate it. Thank you.